Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to offset texture. Okay, let's get started. So I'll be showing you by using one of the texture which I've already uploaded earlier. Okay, you may use any texture you like. So just drag your texture onto your wall. As you can see right now, the wordings of my texture are actually inside the wall. Okay, so what if I want to place it in the middle? So what I can do is that come on top here, click on offset. Okay, as you can see, we can offset it horizontally or vertically also. Okay, you may just drag it manually or type in the number. Alright, so right now it's in the middle. Let's do another one. Same texture. Okay, right now I want to make it place it on the middle. So offset, okay, 400. So what if right now I would like to put my wordings on top and these three human faces at the bottom, so I can offset my vertical. Okay, so like I said, you can do it manually, just drag it, or you can just key in the numbers. This is how you offset your texture. Happy trying, guys.